Food and beverage services in hotel and restaurant management. What is food and beverage services? Food and beverage services it plays crucial role in guest satisfaction as it's one of the most memorable parts of their stay or dining experience. It involves everything related to preparing, presenting, and serving.
There are types of food services in hotel and restaurant. We have American service, French service, silver service, buffet service, garden service, tray service, and self-service.
Types of beverage services. We have alcoholic beverage and non-alcoholic beverage.
Roles and responsibilities in food and beverage services. The front of house roles. We have bartenders, servers, hostess, receptionist, and private events coordinator.
The back of house roles are kitchen manager, head chef, station chef, and union chef, and food and beverage manager.
Three key components of food and beverage services are menu planning, service quality, and presentation.
Types of menu in food and beverage services. We have a la carte menu, table d'hôte menu, carte de jour menu, plat de jour menu, cyclic menu.
Types of customer, we have regular customer and loyal customer.
Technology in food and beverages services. We have order management systems, reservation systems, and payment systems.
Trends in food and beverage services. We have sustainability, eco-friendly packaging, and experimental dining.
Importance of feedback. Collecting feedback and using feedback.
Types of restaurant. Fast food restaurant, casual dining restaurant, fine dining restaurant, cafe dining restaurant.